Hi everyone, and welcome to your next English Writing Journal lesson. Today, we are going to work on English Writing Journal Year 1. There's a link to buy this book in the description down below. I got my blue pen, and I have today's paragraph essay that we're going to work on. This is week 24, and our question today is, what is your least favorite food and why? But the first thing we need to do is we need to write down the date. And today is Monday, April 8th, 2019. Oh, this pen writes much nicer than my other blue pen that I use at home. So, remember that if you like my videos, hit that like button and remember to subscribe for more videos like this. Share this lesson with anyone you know who is having a hard time learning how to write English paragraphs. So let's get started. Remember, this is the Year 1 book. Okay, what is your least favorite food? Food you don't like and why? So when we have a why question, we have to make sure that we give reasons. We have to explain why we don't like something. Now to do that, we have to first make our topic sentence. What is your least favorite food? Now, we can do this many different ways. We can talk about the fact that there are many foods we don't like, or maybe we like lots of other foods and there's only one specific thing that we don't like. The key here is to decide which one. That way, when we make our topic sentence, we know which way to write it. So if there are many things that you don't like to eat, you could say, there are many things that I don't like to eat, but this is my least favorite. That doesn't really sound very good. What is your least favorite? So it really wants just one thing, one specific thing. So let's make a more specific topic. What is your least favorite food? My least favorite food is... I don't know. I like lots of food. Sometimes the questions are difficult. I think that my least favorite food is actually something that many people around the world like. So my least favorite, see right there, my least favorite food is field corn. Field corn? That might be difficult for some people to understand, but in America, where I'm from, we have two main types of corn. We have sweet corn that you can buy in cans or at the farm, and we make amazing corn on the cob with or anything like that. It's very sweet and it just tastes amazing. We also have field corn. Field corn is something that we grow for ethanol and to feed the animals. But lots of countries, South Korea for instance, uses a type of corn that is very similar to field corn, which I really don't like. So I'm going to talk about that. My least favorite food is field corn. Now, why? I am from America, so I grew up eating only sweet corn. For me, this kind of corn tastes much better. So I explained why sweet corn is different. Field corn. Corn, C-O-R-N. Field corn has a very mushy, like squishy, mushy texture when you steam it. And that is my favorite way to eat corn. Sorry. That is my favorite way to eat corn. So, I really, really don't like field corn. For me, this kind of corn tastes much better. Field corn has a very mushy texture when you steam it, and that is my favorite way to eat corn. Now let's make another reason why field corn is ew for me. Field corn also does not have the same corn flavor that I am used to eating. This makes it very difficult for me because I expect a certain flavor and texture when I eat corn, but field corn, oh, wow, I am having a hard time spelling today. Field corn, this is why you should always write in a pencil. I'm only writing in pen because it shows up very well on video. Pencil sometimes can have a shine and it can be very hard to read, but blue, super easy to see. So remember, use a pencil and erase. This is never good on any kind of school document. Your teacher hates this. I know I do. So when I eat corn, let's go back and read it again. This makes it very difficult for me because I expect a certain flavor and texture when I eat corn, but field corn doesn't have either. Field corn doesn't have either one of these. When I see the corn, I think, delicious. I'm so excited to eat the to eat corn. But then when I bite it, it's, so disappointing. So let's write that. I love to eat corn. So when I have a piece of field corn by accident, I get so disappointed. I get so disappointed. Remember, we don't want to write over here. You know what? Here, let's write it over here. I get so disappointed. Now, I can keep talking about why I really, really don't like field corn, but we need to start to end this. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to bring my topic sentence down like we always do. My least favorite food is field corn. So topic, my least favorite food is field corn. Okay, just to remember what it is, and I want to stay on topic. So we're going to give maybe one more reason and then the conclusion. So when I get field corn by accident, I get so disappointed. field corn just does not suit my sense of taste and texture well. This means that I don't like the taste or how it feels in my mouth. It just, And this is, when you get a topic like this, what is your least favorite food? The food that comes to mind should make you feel gross. You should really have a strong feeling about why you really don't like it. When you think about it, all of the things that are negative that you write about, you just think, ugh, gross, okay? And that's how you know you've picked a good topic to write about. If you have a feeling, you have an emotion about that thing. Now, let's make our conclusion. So, conclusion. My topic is, my least favorite food is field corn. Now, here is a super tip. Okay? Whenever you're giving a bunch of reasons why you like or don't like something, don't say these are all of the reasons why I like or don't like. Don't say that. Okay? So here, I'll show you how to do this and I'll tell you why. These are some of the reasons why